from WMAR-2 News, Maryland's most accurate forecast.
Well, we're watching the next couple of days because things are finally going to shift. Remember, we haven't had rain since the first of the month, at least measurable rain out there. So 15 plus days, especially as we head into the day tomorrow. No more rain, just clouds lingering around for your St. Patty's Day. I still think temperatures will climb into the mid 50s because we will get a few breaks in the clouds, especially late afternoon. Unfortunately, looking at rain moving in on Thursday as the system starts to approach the region, and those showers will linger through your Friday, and we'll see some winds a bit breezy on the backside of that front. Now, tomorrow's going to be a severe weather day. Thankfully, that's not going to include us here in Maryland, but we're going to be watching portions of the Mid-South for some strong, severe thunderstorms, producing some damaging wind, and could see some tornadoes out that way as well. That system will lift closer to us as we head into your Thursday, but I think that this is going to bottom out in southern Maryland, so I don't think our viewers have this to be concerned about, but we will be watching these thunderstorms because they can still travel, and we could see some heavy rain and some breezy winds moving to our region on Thursday. But expecting things to be dry for tomorrow as the low pressure hangs out around, expecting those clouds to slowly break as we head into the second half of the day, noticing that moisture starting to build to the southwest. So planning out your St. Patty's Day, we're looking at some patchy fog for the morning and the clouds, especially as we head into the afternoon. Notice how temperatures hover in the upper 40s through most of the day. And then we finally get a bump into the 50s late afternoon, early evening. And I think that's where we'll see those numbers get to about 55, 56 degrees here in the city of Baltimore. And then we're watching this system start to bring moisture up early Thursday morning. Notice how we see some lighter showers. It gets heavier around 10 to 11 o'clock. And then around 12, we're just looking at isolated rain potential. So kind of a lull in the precip for some folks. And then we're watching this energy push towards the east. By 5 o'clock, I think the cloudy skies will dominate. And then more moisture starts to filter in as we head into the overnight hours. So we're going to be watching this front because it's also going to be sinking down as we head into your Friday. And that's why there is that slight chance for some of our northernmost communities to see a little bit of wintry mix. Right now, I just think that the atmosphere is just going to be a little bit too mild, especially in the mid levels, for this to be widespread. Planning your Thursday, have the umbrella on standby. The showers are going to be the main story here. Temperatures are going to get into the mid to upper 50s for highs. As far as rain totals, we're looking at 1 to 2 inches being likely, especially where we see some training. We can see some of those higher totals. So you want to stick with us as we fine tune that forecast. Showers in the forecast, a little bit of a wintry mix, possible early Friday morning as that system pushes down. I think that's mainly rain for most of us, drying out for your Saturday, up to 60 by Sunday, heading back to work next week with highs in the mid 60s.